Good afternoon, everyone. Today, nanapot ay virtual study tour here sa Sinto Subdivision, Butuan City. This house is 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath in a 200 square meters lot area. And I'll tell you at the end of the video kung tagpila ni siya, and I promise you, worth it again. Let's go. This is the car garage, and then napa siya space diri for more cars nga inyong i-park, or you can still develop this as your garden. So, di ba? Look at the facade. And then, when you enter the house, mamubunga din sa inyo ang living area na huge. And by the way, later on, ma-check out ninyo nga ang 4 ka bedrooms kay huge bedrooms. Dili lang kay siya for the sake of bedroom. No? So yun, this is the first bedroom, and take a look at sa huge nga mirror. First bedroom here sa ground floor. The only bedroom here sa ground floor. If you'd like to have your family member nga senior na, your mother, or anyone in the family nga dili na ganahan mo saka, so pwede na siya. And a cabinet. So huge ang bedroom. So here is your dining area with 5-seater table. I think that's 6. Kahid lang ang isa. And then napod siya open kitchen here with the built-in cabinets. You can cook here for your family and friends here. Yun, di ba? Diri guys, naa siya'y space for your laundry area, service area, and whatnot. Or you can still convert this as your dirty kitchen. Yun, and then, diriya ang common toilet and bath for everyone, for your guests, for your family and friends, or to those nga mo-occupy diri as a first bed. By the way, there's a living area na access to your garage. Pero, yun, pwede rin dira. So, sakit ha? So, we can see all of the 3 bedrooms diri sa taas that are huge. And, pag saka diri sa second floor, guys, huge pa kaayo ang spaces here where you can use this as your second living area or entertainment area. You can also use this as your home office or gym area. Then here is your common toilet and bath in the second floor, considered as the second toilet and bath all throughout the house. Here, nasa space so you can see outside, or this can be your air well. So, second bedroom. In first bedroom here sa second floor. Diba? Dako kayo yun. Dako kayo ang room actually. Dako siya. This I think nasa mga 3 by 4 square meters. And then, diri pa guys, naa siya balcony, pero not the ideal balcony kay sa silingan na din mo makita. Pero of course, if gusto lang ka diri mag-chillax, just to breathe some fresh air, pwede diri. By the way, di allocated ang atong water tank for a complete experience of water here sa Butuan. Here is the third bedroom all throughout the house. And then, naanapad siya cabinet. And finally, let's come to the most awaited part of the house, the master bedroom. Yeah, the biggest among the 4. Master bedroom gid siya. And then na siya mini walk-in closet. Gwapo siya. Good. Na siya mura og kanang divider lang, but technically naa siya walk-in closet, and then all the way to the exclusive toilet and bath of the master bedroom. And napod siya own kaliguan here. And then, lastly, this is the only bedroom nga na ay access sa balcony, which is here. So, nakapot siya yung mini space din, no? So, I think you can still use this as another space for your closet, or for example, your kung nakay VA ka, or you wanna work here, pwede ra. So, going outside, which is actually the balcony or the main balcony all throughout the house. So once again, if you're interested, this is just 10 million pesos and located in a very strategic location sa Villa Cananga, so accessible to all Robinsons, SM, and all main establishments of Butuan. I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of Vicky Realty Philippines. Bye!